There were rumors about a more elegant and expensive version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that were expected to be released in the autumn even before the device's official introduction. When it was first released, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Thin was touted as having a more minimalistic design than the regular model. But since then, Google and Honor have also debuted foldable smartphones that promise a more svelte profile than the Galaxy Samsung Fold 6 and its next version. This has caused LED Samsung to re-evaluate the name of their next foldable flagship device. According to recent rumors, it will be sold under the name Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which is a more appropriate moniker than Galaxy S. The smartphone falls short of being ultra-thin, which would have made it dishonest to refer to it as tiny. In fact, Honor has already made a lighthearted joke about Samsung's newest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, by making fun of how bulky it is. The special edition may just be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 version that Samsung ought to have released right away, however, for identical reasons. While his account is presently secret, recent leaks from Evan Blass on X point to intriguing advancements for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. There is currently no foldable device in North America that has a camera system that can compete with flagship models. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is inferior to the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is inferior to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the OnePlus Open is inferior to the OnePlus 12. These leaks suggest a slightly more streamlined design and an improved rear camera system. The largest offenders is undoubtedly Samsung, whose $1,900 folding phone has been out of production for over 3 years. It has the same back camera system as the $800 ordinary Galaxy S24. There's growing excitement about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, especially in relation to its camera skills. While sufficient for daily photography, the normal Fold AXS camera components are taken from the ordinary Galaxy S24, which is inferior than the Galaxy S24 Ultra and other foldable handsets that are in competition. The special edition may include a 200MP sensor instead of the 50MP primary camera, according to recent information from Blast. This upgrade supports previous speculations regarding a possible Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.